name is Shen, and I'm from ZT Corporation. I will take the time, about 15 minutes, to introduce ZT's exploration and the practice of a large model in telecom industry. If you ask me what is the hottest topic in large chair, I would like to say ChatGPT and generative AI is the most important technology in large chair. In the lower part of the slide, you may see the time to reach 100 million subscribers for different applications and technology. If you look at the cell phone, it took 16 years. iTunes, 6.5 years. WhatsApp, 3.5 years. TikTok, 9 months. But if you look at the ChatGPT, it took only 2 months to reach 100 million. Sure, it will become the future technology. Absolutely. And I think that in the future, generative AI will become the typical symbol of the fourth industrial evolution, just like steam engine, electric light, and internet. Yeah, sure. Generative AI will bring us the challenges and opportunities. Regarding the opportunities, and I can see that these days, if you have seen the video made by Sora, you will be shocked by these videos. And I think that this technology will change the whole ecosystem and it will change the whole business model for the media and entertainment industry. And generative AI will also change the other industries such as education, media, medical, etc. I may say that all the industry will be affected. Beside the industries, and we also can see some challenges. For example, how to let generative AI keep the same value as human being. For example, how to balance the cost and the performance. We know that the AI will need a lot of computation capability, which need a lot of investment and the cost. Thirdly, how to protect data security and personal privacy. But compared with challenges, I think opportunities will be much better, much higher than the challenges. We should take the way to the future generative AI. Then next, I will introduce ZT's strategy on this field. And on this slide, you will see the IT, CT, and industries. First, the industry strategy is to develop and apply generative AI in IT industry, then to CT industry, finally to all the industries. Now we have applied generative AI, large language-based AI in IT field. By this way, we have improved 20% program efficiency. Secondly, we will apply the large model-based AI technology in communication telecom field. And we have two potential directions. The first direction is that we would like to develop large model-based products such as 5G new calling. We will create the colorful content which may improve the customer satisfaction. Secondly, we will use the generative AI to the operation and the maintenance to improve the efficiency of this field. And in the later slide, I will introduce more detail for this part. Thirdly, we will explore the more applications in all the industries. Last year, together with China Mobile, we have developed the industry-first anti-fraud app. If we use the traditional way, such as like whitelist, such as keyword searching, the anti-fraud efficiency is no more than 50%. But by this developed large language model, the anti-fraud app, we have achieved the interception efficiency higher than 99%. This is unbelievable. And we will explore more in this field. And all this large model, and we name it as a ZTE Nebula AI model. ZTE Nebula AI model has 3 key technology advantages. The first is token. Token is absolutely important for the generative AI. I will take an example of ChatGPT. Take ChatGPT 1.0 as an example. It needs 100 million tokens. ChatGPT 2.0 needs 1.5 billion tokens. ChatGPT 3.5 need 175 billion token. So token is extremely a measurement unit for the capability of generative AI. GT-enabled AI model need hundreds of billions tokens, and we already put into the training. And all these tokens are telecom-based professional words and sentences. The second, GT can provide end-to-end solutions, including infrastructure, full-stack tools, and user-oriented application. Thirdly, and we believe that coordination is also very important for the GT-enabled AI model. And here we have two different types of model, large model and small model. Large model is normally based on the transformer architecture, and it is good at content generation. Regarding the small model, the token is normally less than 1 billion token, and it is good at decision making. So different model, large model and small model, they have own advantages. We should combine these two advantages together. Now GT strategy is to develop large model and small model simultaneously and combine them in a harmonious way. Okay, let's dig further about the GT's generative AI model application in the communication telecom field. Z agent. Z agent actually is a kind of tool to improve the operation and the maintenance efficiency. We have a set 3 levels architecture here: capability, Z agent, and functions. In the capability level, we provide all kinds of atom capabilities such as service assurance, network monitoring, coverage, optimization, KPI analysis, etc., and many atom capabilities. In the middle level, we have a Z agent. For the time being, until now, we have developed 4 agents: assurance agent, Q&A agent, insight agent, and fault agent. Of course, in the future, we will develop more agents. And all these agents can provide basically 3 types of functions: questions answering, network analysis, and issues resolving. And let's see detailed what these type of 3 functions can provide. The first function is questions answering. It can invoke and call the different knowledge base based on the different question. If you, as an operator or customer, you can ask questions directly to our agent, the agent, then they can quickly provide the answer by its knowledge-based, huge knowledge-based content. Second, it can simulate the human professionals to give you the professional suggestion. The second function is network analysis. It can be based on the scenarios or the different strategies. At the meantime, it can provide the data visualized report for you to easy to understand all the content and analysis report. Finally, issues resolving. When we mention the issues, there may be the simple issue or complicated issue. For the simple issue, it's easy. We may use one single agent to handle this simple issue. But when we met with the complicated issue, we need the coordination and the collaboration with multiple agents. But you don't need to worry. All these steps are done automatically. Our system, the agent tool, can automatically create all the processing steps, and there is no intervene of the human being. All these 3 functions, I think that there are 3 key advantages. The first, command line interface, graphic user interface, involved to the natural language user interface. The second, single task to the complicated jobs to free the human being work. Thirdly, co-pilot to autopilot. All these 3 characteristic advantages are based on multiple agents coordination. Complicated event assurance is a very important and complicated. Then the slide shows how the agent can resolve this complicated event assurance. Firstly, the agent can sense information from the different channels. They can sense the human based on the human intent. They can sense itself by net alarm. they can sense a word by the public information or email. After the sensing the information from the different channels, the virtual expert team made by, say, agent can do the work by itself. It may create the team by the different demand and requirement. For example, the assurance expert, monitoring expert, troubleshooting expert, assurance assistant. Different characteristics can be automatically created by the agent tool. And it can provide the two types of assurance: major events assurance and a normal operation and maintenance assurance. These two types of assurance are based on the completely automatic process and automatic collaboration process. In a word, the agent can sense environment changes and orchestrate assurance services or operations based on the large model. We have talked a lot about the ZT's as an agent, how it works. And now let's see the real application that the agents have done in large scale. You may know that last November, World Internet Conference was held in Wuzhen, and in this conference, Wuzhen Summit, ZTE together with Zhejiang Mobile, together has applied the agent large language-based AI model to improve, to assure these major events. And after several days, major events, and we have got the very positive and good result. We have achieved a 100% connection ratio, and the drop-off ratio is lower, it's 0%, and the efficiency improvement, we can actually reach up to the 5 times. In the middle of the slide, we have seen the 5 pictures. These pictures is a typical advantage it can bring to our network, and I will mention them one by one. The first is a scenario-based assurance solution. The second is auto configuration and a large screen. The third is a multi-format report output. The fourth is data monitoring and querying. Finally, the fifth is natural language-based questions answering. All these features and advantages are brought by the agent, large language model-based tools, AI tools. AI is a huge and very promising trend in the future, and we have done a little bit now in this area. I may say it is a long way to go to reach the fully artificial intelligence. And here we have listed 3 potential routes for we to discover and further exploration. The first is we may discover and use high quality token with data governance and knowledge engineering technology. The second, we may develop more intelligence agents involving from human role-oriented to workflow-oriented. The third is digital evolution. We have 2 dimensions here. The first, human working will be replaced little by generative AI. This is the first dimension. The second dimension, we would like to simulate the real network with digital twin technology. As a colleague in Huawei company has already mentioned the importance of digital twin technology. The final one, after the 5G and the 5G advanced, the 6G will be coming, and we will explore further for how we can use AI in 6G stage, and we will explore each corner of the communication of the AI technology, how to use it in the CT world. And finally, we will further explore the collaboration about large model and small model and make it harmonious work to provide better network efficiency. Finally, the last word, and AI is coming, and let's just do it. Thank you, that's my introduction. Thank you.